بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. We continue with our discussion on Naaqis, and today inshallah we are starting Sarf Kabeer of the big families. And it's going to be exciting because it's Naaqis. Yalla bismillah. But before we begin, I just want us to go over the Sarf Kabeer. So just to understand some of the rules that we are going to encounter, just to refresh our memory. So maybe even Sarf Saghir a little bit. So we know that Naaqis Wawi and Naaqis Ya'i, they behave the same. So whether it ends with a Waw or a Ya, they're going to behave the same in the big families. The Mudari', so the Madi ends in Alif Maqsura, the Mudari' ends in Alif in Ya. So Alqa Yulqi, Nada Yunadi, Samma Yusammi, stuff like that, except in these two families, the Fatha families, we talked about this. So in family 5 and family 6. So Tazakka, Yatazakka, Tarada, Yatarada. So it ends in Alif Maksura, it doesn't end in a Ya like the rest. The Isim Fa'il ends in Tanween, Kasratain. So Musammin, Munadin, Mulqin, like that. And Isim Maf'ul ends with Alif Maksura with Fathatain. Mulqan, Munadan, Musamman. Just some of the changes that happens in the masdar. So most of the masdars, they end with an, like this. So istasqan, iftira'an, inbira'an, ilqa'an, nida'an. Most of them end like that. Except for family 2, allama family, where you have tamarbuta, tasmiyatan, and the second masdar of jahada family. So we know jahada has 2 masdars. So one ends with an, but the second one ends with tan. So that's something to note. Family 5 and 6, the fatha families, like we mentioned, the fatha families take on a fatha. Their masdars, they end with in. So tazakkin, taradin. That's something to remember there. Now, the Sarf Kabeer, for all the big families, whether it's Wawi or it's Ya'i, you will have a Ya. Okay, so whether it's Naaqis Wawi or Naaqis Ya'i, the Ya is the one that is going to come back in Sarf Kabeer. So for example, here I've given the example of Samma. So Samma, Huwa Samma, Huma Sammaya, Hum Sammaw. Because again, ending in Alif Maqsura is going to give you Aw. Okay, so A gives you Aw. So that's why it's Sammaw. And then here Sammat, Huma Sammata. Hunna, when you get to the Hunna, the Ya comes back. And then it behaves normally from there. So هن سمينا أنت سميت أنتما سميتما أنتم سميتم أنت سميتي أنتما سميتما أنتن سميتون أن سميتن أنا سميت نحن سمينا. So that's something to just note there. Okay. If the huwa ends in a, we've talked about this, you're going to have aw. So if it ends with a, remember the monkey sounds, a gives you aw. And if you have e, gives you u. So a, aw, e, u. Very important to remember when it comes to Sarf Kabeer, because this is what makes Naaqis. The anti version in the Mudari equals the Antunna version, and the hum version in the Mudari equals the hunna version in the Mudari. We talked about that last time. Family 5 and 6 have Fatha in the Mudari. We talked about this. And you have to make sure you don't have any ew disgusting sounds. So that's basically that. And we talked about also, we discussed the Muslimun charts, Musammuna, Musammayani, Musammawna, and so on and so forth. So today, inshallah, we look at the Sarf Kabeer, Mazid fihi. Now, who wants to make a fool out of themselves? Who's ready to participate? Okay, so let's see here. We have 2 people. We have 3 people. Okay, great. Everybody wants to make a fool out of themselves. Fantastic. We're all learning anyway. Okay, so we'll start with Fauzia, and then we have Saima, and then Marianne. So Fawzia, you can do Zakka. Sarf Kabeer, by the way, of the big family is going to be easy as compared to small families, but we'll see, inshallah. So Fawzia, you can do ماضي معلوم. Let's see how we're gonna do this. We have ماضي معلوم 2, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, we will stick to doing 2, 2, 2 like we've been doing. So you can do the ماضي. You can do the ماضي معلوم and
can we do one Mazi and one Mudari?
مضارع.
Because
That's
it
even
becomes
better.
really easy.
Yeah, that's even better. You practice more and you get more idea. Okay, yeah. Let's do that.
Zakka,
Mm-hmm.
zakka, zakka, zakku.
So when you come to the Huma version here, the ya comes back. So only the ones I've highlighted in blue, you don't get the ya. Okay.
Zakka, zakkiya.
Zakka, yeah.
Is that right? Zakkiya?
No.
No.
So علم, علما, zakka, zakkaya.
Zakkaya. Oh, I did zakkiya. Okay.
Yes.
Zakka, zakkaya, zakku.
So go back. So you have, okay, let me write it so that it's easier. So zakka, and then you have zakkaya. And now remember, it's ending in an alif maqsura. If it ends in an alif maqsura, yes. Zakkaw.
Zakkat. Zakkata. Zakkanna.
The ya is going to come back.
Zakkunna.
The ya is going to come
back.
Yes.
Zakkaina.
Yes. Zakkaina. And now once the ya comes back,
has a wow.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. In the big families, it doesn't matter. Only ya comes back in the big families. It's in the small families where you have a little bit of, yeah.
Zakkaita, zakkaituma, zakkaitum, zakkaiti, zakkaituma, zakkaitunna, zakkaina. Oh, zakkaitu, zakkaina.
Exactly. Yeah. So that's basically the madi of zakka. Now you can do yuzakki, you can do mudari' ma'loom.
Zakka, yuzakki.
Oops.
Yuzakki, yuzakkiyani. Yuzakkuna. Yuzakkuna. Right? No you.
So yeah, because it ends with a ya, the home version is going to be yuzakkuna. Yuzakkuna.
Yuzakki, yuzakkiyani. Yuzakkuna again.
Yes.
Yeah.
It'll be the same.
Tuzakki, tuzakkiyani. Again, the same thing. Tuzakkuna.
Tuzakkuna. So here it's going to be 2. Here is you.
2.
And this is 2. Yeah.
Tuzakkuna. Tuzakkina, tuzakkiyani, tuzakkina.
Good. So this and this is the same. Yes. Anna? You still there, Fuzia?
Yes, yes. Zaki,
Okay.
Nuzaki.
Yes, أنا أزكي نحن نزكي.
Nuzaki.
Yeah, so that's pretty much that. Then we have Saima. Saima, you can do the majhul bit of it. So ماضي مجهول and مضارع مجهول.
Majhul.
Ah,
Majhul, I
Bismillah.
find Majhul so difficult. Okay,
Then we'll
Bismillah.
swap.
Okay, it was yeah. In the end, will it be yeah? So it will
So
be
let me help
zuk.
you.
Yeah,
Yes.
zukia, zukia,
Uh-huh.
zukku.
Yes. Because when you have a ya here you're gonna have u.
Okay.
Zuku.
Then zukiyat,
Mm-hmm.
zukiyata,
Mm-hmm.
and it was zukkai. So it will be zukkaina.
Uh, Zukaina?
Zuk.
Wait, let me think. I think so. You could be right, but I'm just trying to remember if it's Zukaina or yeah, Zukaina. Yeah, because it's علمنا علمنا. Let me confirm that. I'm not 100% sure. This is
Even I'm
not
not
this.
sure.
God. So you're doing ماضي مجهول. Zucchina. Yeah, I wasn't sure it's zucchina because علمنا. So you don't get an aina, you get ina. Zucchina.
Zucchini.
Yeah.
Then it will be zukkita, zukkituma,
Yes.
zukkitum,
Yeah.
zukkiti, zukkituma, zukkitunna,
Mm-hmm.
zukkaitu, zukkaina,
Zucchi. If
zukki,
once you reach, yeah, zucchito, zucchina.
zukkitu, zukkina.
Yeah. Yeah. Once you figure out the hunna, then and just remember when you come to the hunna, it's gonna match most likely the normal version because the ya is coming back. So it's going to be pretty much normal. So just try and match it. If it's alimna, then zucchina.
Linda, zukkina. Okay.
Maybe that helps. All right, so let's go to the mudari. This is where it gets interesting.
Ah.
Mm-hmm.
Yuzak,
Yes.
yuzakka, yuzakkayani, yuzakkauna.
Yes. Now here you get aw. Yes.
Because it was in the beginning.
Yes. Uh-huh.
Tuzakka,
Uh-huh.
tuzakkayani,
Uh-huh.
no, not two. Yuzak.
Wait.
So it will be I again.
Yes.
Yuzakkaina.
Now here you get yuzakkaina. Yes.
Then tuzakka,
Mm-hmm.
tuzakkayani, tuzakkuna.
No.
No, kau.
Yes.
Tuzakkauna.
Uh-huh.
Then tuzakkaina.
No. Tuzakki. With anti, you will always have ina ending.
Tuzakki.
Tuzakkina. No, oh, sorry, this is yes, tuzakkaina. You're right. I'm sorry.
It's okay, even I'm so confused. Tuzakkaina, tuzakkayani, then tuzakkaina, because anti and antunna are
the same. Mm-hmm.
Then uzakka, nuzakka.
Yes, great. Okay, yeah. Oh no, I spoke too early. I said it was going to be easy. No, but we'll make it work. Okay, Marianne, you will do the amr. That's wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Can you remember me, please, for the passive of zakka, the whole version? It is
Zukiya.
zuki,
Zukiya.
zukiya.
Yes. All of them are going to be like that. All the passives. Big families, small families, they're all going to end like that.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yes, iya.
Okay.
Iya.
Thank you.
Like that. Mm.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. For small and big family. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I have to do the amr of zakah.
Yes.
زكى يزكي يزكي علم يعلم علم.
Mm-hmm.
So زكي. أنت
Yes.
زكي.
Yes.
أنتما أنتما زك no, أنت زكي أنتما زكيا.
Yes. Zakiya.
أنتم زكوا.
Yes.
أنت زكينة.
No, no.
No, زكي زكي.
Yeah. Zaki.
Okay. أنت زكي. Okay. أنتما زكيا
Mm-hmm.
and أنتن زكينة.
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly. All right. Now let's go to the isim fa'il.
Okay.
So
Uh,
remember the
uh,
isim fa'il ends with kasratain. The isim maf'ul ends with fathatain.
okay. Okay. كده كده هو مزكن
Yeah. Muzakkin.
مزكيا
Mm-hmm.
مزكن.
Yeah, those are the three versions. Rafa, nasib and jar.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
مزكياني مزكيين مزكيين.
Yeah.
مزكون
Uh-huh.
مزكينة مزكينة.
Yes. And then the isim maf'ul would be,
مزكن.
yes, muzakkan.
And it is non-flexible for the singular.
Yes.
But for the dual,
The ya will come
مزكيان.
back. Yes.
Okay. مزكيان مزكيين مزكيين.
Uh-huh.
مزكاة مزكاة مزكاة.
Okay, you did the muslimatun chat,
Yes.
but the muslimun chat, muzakkawna, muzakkaina,
Oh.
muzakkain. Because only
مزك...
the
Mhm.
masdar and the masdar, that's when you do the atun atin. But isim
Mhm.
maf'ul you can do una ina as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And it will be muzakkawna inside of muzakkaina.
Muzakkawna and muzakkaina, because muzakkawna would be the rafa version. Muzakkaina nasab and jar. Because remember, let me write it here. So this is muzakkan.
Yes.
So it's, you see it ends with alif maqsura. So when we end
Mhm.
with alif maqsura, we're gonna have aw. So whatever ends in a, the home version is gonna be aw.
Oh,
So
okay. Yes, yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Yes. Can I repeat?
Yes,
So
please.
muzakkan, muzakkan, muzakkan,
Mm-hmm.
muzakkayani,
Mm-hmm.
muzakkayaini, muzakkayaini,
Mm-hmm.
muzakkawna,
Mm-hmm.
muzakkina,
Kay.
muzakkawna, muzakkaina, muzakkaina. Okay.
Yes.
I understand. Thank you.
Is it muzakina? Wait, no, this is. Wait, let me just confirm it.
Okay.
Oh boy. Yeah, we will be doing Naaqis like this by confirming a lot.
Okay.
Yeah, muzakkaini. So this is the ضرب. This is the اسم فاعل. اسم مفعول. So, uh, they didn't do. Okay, so muzakkaini, muzakkaina. Yeah, muzakkaina. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay,
Muzakkaina.
alhamdulillah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so that's the concept. Okay, great. Now we're gonna swap a little bit. So maybe Marianne, you can go fast, and then we can
Okay.
have Saima, and then Fawzia last. So
Okay.
you can do ma'lum. No, let's swap. You do majhul because Saima did majhul, And then
Okay, for what field?
sorry, nada.
Okay.
Or let Saima go first because she can do the ma'lum and then you can come back and do the majhul. I think that would be
Okay.
easier. Yeah. Okay, Saima.
Jahada.
Yes.
Nada.
Uh-huh.
Nadaya. Nadaw.
So good.
Nadaya.
Nadata. So nadat.
Nadat. Nadata. Nadaina.
Yes.
Then it will be Nadaita. Nadaituma. Nadaitum. Nadaiti. Nadaituma. Nadaitunna. Nadaina. Nadainu. Itu.
Okay.
Nadaitu. Sorry. Nadaitu.
Yes.
Nadaina.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. Then let's do did I scroll up so much? Okay. Yeah. So
I have to do.
what's happening? You have to do مضارع معلوم.
معلوم. Okay. So
Yeah.
جاهد يجاهد
Mm-hmm.
ينادي
Uh-huh.
ينادي ينادون
Yes.
تنادي تناديان now ينا ينا will be like home
Yes.
ينادون oh it's
Yes.
same
Same.
okay okay alhamdulillah one less to learn will be tunadi tunadi tunadiyani tunadina
No. أنتم.
antum will be tunaduna
Yes.
and anti will be again tunadina
Uh-huh.
tunadiyani and again
Uh-huh. Yes.
tunadina then unadi
Mm-hmm.
nunadi
Exactly. Yeah. So that's pretty much it.
I have. You say hunna yuna duna. It is not yuna dina because who it is yuna di and we add na.
Let me confirm again. That's what I remember. Like hum and hunna is the same, but let's just confirm again. So you guys, by the way, remember you have to like point out these things so that we make sure we get the right thing. Otherwise, I'm also not 100% sure. So we just did, what is this? مضارع معلوم. مبني للمعلوم here. So oh, it's ينادينا. You see?
this but that is majhul na
Oh, this is majhul. Yeah, I was wondering. Okay, where's معلوم? Here.
this one
ينادينا and ينادون. Oh, okay. So this is
oh the different
okay. What? No, that just that changed everything for me now.
But always said that the Hunna is the version.
Sorry?
Ustad always said that the Hunna, you
Mm-hmm.
add the na in the Hua version. So Hua version is
Oh,
Yunadi.
really?
So it's Yunadina.
Okay, that's a neat trick. Okay. I did not know that trick. I forgot it. Let me check. Where did I get this then? Use Zakina?
I think that was in small
Yeah.
family. Small family mein when you wow as a root word.
That was only in small families. I will have to look up that
yeah.
fruit again. Wow. So that means my whole understanding is different. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah. Looks like I didn't do proper research here, guys. Sorry. Yeah. So clearly, this is Ina. This is Ina. Yunadina, not yunaduna. So hum yunaduna, hunna yunadina. Okay. Wow. That's something else to learn now there. Great. All right. Then let's do majhul now. Um,
That's me.
yeah.
Yeah.
Who's doing majhul?
Nada, Yunadi,
Sorry,
Nudia.
Fawzi, we can't hear you. Okay, yes. No idea?
Hello,
Yes.
can you hear me now?
Much, yeah, better. Yeah.
Okay, so it's Nudia,
Mm-hmm.
Nudia,
Mm-hmm.
no, Hua Nudia, Huma Nudia,
Mm-hmm.
Hum, yeah, so it will be do, nu, Nudu,
Yes, Nudu.
nu, Nudi,
Happening.
okay, so here would be Nudiat,
Yes.
Huma would be Nudiata,
Mm-hmm.
Hunna would be Nudina,
Mm-hmm.
Anta would be Nudita, Antuma Nudituma, Antum Nuditum, Anti Nuditi, Antuma Nudituma, Antunna Nuditunna,
Mm-hmm.
Nuditunna, Ana Nuditu, Nahnu
Anna?
Nudina,
Yes.
Nuditu,
Yes. Good. نحن نودينا.
Nahnu Nudina.
All right. Then we have مضارع للمجهول.
Nada, Yunada,
Yes, ينادى.
Wa Yunada,
Uh-huh.
Huma Yunadayani,
Yes.
Hum Yunadawna,
Yes.
Shia Tunada,
Uh-huh.
Huma Tunadayani,
Uh-huh.
Hunna Yunadaina,
Uh-huh.
Anta Tunada, Antuma
Uh-huh.
Tunadayani,
Uh-huh.
Antum Tunadawna,
Uh-huh.
Anti Tunadaina, Antuma
Uh-huh.
Tunadayani, Antunna Tunadaina, Ana Unada, Nahnu Nunada.
Yes. نحن ننادى. I'm just gonna confirm the anti again because I'm a bit confused. مبني للمجهول تنادينا. Okay. Yeah. Correct. Good. Alhamdulillah. Not bad, but yeah, it's a struggle. Okay. Marianne, again, you get to do the Amr and Asma.
نادي أنت
We can't hear you. Your voice is very low.
Okay, let me.
Yeah.
It's okay now.
Yeah, better.
Okay. So أنت نادي. No,
Uh-huh.
no.
Nahdi. Yes.
نادي. Okay.
Uh,
أنت نادي.
Uh-huh.
أنتما ناديا.
Uh-huh.
أنتم نادوا.
Uh-huh.
أنت نادي.
Uh-huh.
أنتما ناديا. أنتن نادينا.
Yes.
مناد.
Mm-hmm.
مناديا. مناد. مناديان. مناديين. مناديين. منادون. منادين. منادين.
Mm-hmm. ده اسم مفعول.
اوكي. مناديا.
اسم
مناديا.
مفعول.
مناديا.
منادا. منادا.
اوكي. منادا. يس يس.
Mm.
منادا. 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 مناديان.
Yes.
مناديين. مناديين. منادون.
Mm-hmm.
منادينا. منادينا.
Yes. And of course, the ظرف is the same as اسم مفعول. So,
I don't hear you.
can you hear me now?
Yes, it's much better.
Mm.
Can
Yeah.
you
So,
repeat, please?
yeah, I was just saying the ظرف is the same as the اسم مفعول. So you've already done that. Because the
Okay,
ظرف
okay.
in big families is the same.
منادا.
Yes, منادا. These two are the same.
And for the zarf, there is a dual and plural.
Yes, there is.
Okay,
Let me see.
thank you.
So you have, like, for example, oops. So you see, you have like, you go to the Muslimatun child, you do it like the way you would do it darf, masdar. You
Mm-hmm.
don't have the una ina, you go to atun atin atin, just like masdar.
Okay, like the master. Thank you.
Okay, so who hasn't done? I don't know who else to do this.
I didn't do the Madi and the Mudari. Maybe
Oh,
I.
both you haven't. Yeah, then you go. Yeah.
Okay. It is which alqa
Yes,
or
alqa. Yes, family four.
okay. ماضي هو ألقى هما ألقيا هم ألقوا هي ألقت هما ألقتا هن ألقينا
Mm-hmm.
أنت ألقيت أنتما ألقيتما أنتم ألقيتم أنت ألقيتي no أنتن ألقيتن أنت ألقيتي أنتما ألقيتما أنتن ألقيتن أنا ألقيت نحن ألقينا
نحن.
نحن ألقينا
Yes, نحن ألقينا.
أوكي ألقى يلقي هو يلقي هما يلقيان هم يلقون هي تلقي هما تلقيان هن يلقين
Mm-hmm.
أنت تلقي أنتما تلقيان أنتم تلقون أنت تلقين أنتما تلقيان أنتن تلقين أنا ألقي نحن نلقي.
Nice. That was really good. MashaAllah. Okay. Who wants to do majhul? That's where the excitement is.
Too much excitement there. I'll do the Madi Majhul. Okay, I'll
Okay.
do the Majhul.
Okay, fine.
Al-Qayyuki, Ul, sorry, Qa,
ألقية. Uh, Fawzia, you there?
Ulqiya. Yes.
Yes. Uh-huh.
Wa Ulqiya, Ma
Uh-huh.
Ulqiya, Hum Ulqawna. No,
Hmm?
Hum Oh, Ulquna. No,
ماضي.
Ul, Ul, Al-Qayyum, Ulqiya, Ulqiya, Ulquna.
So it's ماضي, there's no una. Una is in the مضارع.
Sorry. Just too many things happening here.
I know.
Ulqiya, Ulqiya, Ulqu,
Yes.
Ul, Ulqat,
ألقيت. Uh-huh.
Ulqiyat, Ulqiyat,
Mm.
yes, of course. Ulqiyat, Ulqiyata, Ulqina,
Mm-hmm.
Ulqita,
Mm-hmm.
Ulqituma, Ulqitum, Ulqiti,
Mm-hmm.
Ulqituma, Ulqitunna, Ulqitu, Ulqina.
Exactly. Beautiful. Now for the مضارع, where the fun begins.
Ah, Ulqiya, Yulqa, Yulqa,
Uh-huh.
Yulqayani, Yulqawna,
Uh-huh.
Yul, Tulqa,
Uh-huh.
Tulqayani, Yul, 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 Yulqayna,
Yes.
uh, Tulqa,
Mm-hmm.
Tulqayani, Tulqawna, Qawna,
Uh-huh.
yeah, Tulqayna, Tulqayani, Tulqayna,
Uh-huh.
أنا ألقي
ألقى.
ألقى
Yeah.
ألقى أنا ألقى نحن نلقى.
Yes. Good. That leaves Amr and Asma for Saima.
I have a question in that one.
Yes.
Uh, the home version,
Mm-hmm.
it was like Hua was Yulka, so home version was Au, Yulkau.
Yes.
And then in the second line, the Hiya version was Tulka. Again, it was Ka in the end. But
Yes.
Hunna version mein, we got Yulkai.
Yes. Because
Can you please?
hunna, you have to have the ya comes back in the hunna basically. In all the hunnas, the ya comes back. So it's pretty normal.
Only in the Hunnas?
Only in the hunna and antunna.
Okay.
Yeah, you have. You remember when we were doing the other irregularities and them ladies, women were always causing trouble. In Naaqis, the trouble they're causing is that they're bringing back the ya. The ya is disappearing in all the others, but in Naaqis the ya comes back. Like them ladies behave normal in Naaqis, but in everywhere else they behave abnormal. So just weird.
Okay. Jazakallah.
Okay.
I have a question as well.
Mm-hmm.
In the Malum version, in the Mudare, it's Yulqi, then Yulqiyani, then it's Yulquna.
Mm-hmm.
So it eats the kasra.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of EU, it becomes Una.
Oh, yes.
But I thought that the kasra was stronger than the dhamma. Is that wrong?
No, that one is correct, but when it comes to vowels and like that doesn't apply here in this case because yeah, it's actually a weak letter. It's part of the root letters, so they just drop the root letter. So let me just explain that a little bit. So it was let me start from the beginning. So it's yuslimu, right? And then we have yul qiyu. That's what it was supposed to be. Yulqiyu, but we don't want this ew sound, so we made it yulqi to smooth it out. We don't have ew sound, so that became yulqi, and then yulqiyani. So when it came to yulqawna, yulquna, it was supposed to be yuslimuna, yulqiyuna. That was what it was supposed to be. So yulqi, yulqiyuna. Okay. So this wow, we can't drop it. The reason why we can't drop the wow is because this wow is wawul jama'a, is wow for plural masculine. If you drop it, then it doesn't indicate masculine, right? So the thing they dropped is they dropped the ya. But before they dropped the ya, they decided, okay, now what are we gonna do with the dhamma? So the dhamma came to the wow because dhamma is a stronger letter than a sukun, and then they dropped the ya. So you ended up with yul Puna. So that's what kind of happened there. So you just have to remember. And the same thing with yulqaina, we can't drop the ya because ya is part of the root letter. And them ladies behave normally in this particular irregularity. So that's why. I don't know if that explains it.
Yes.
Is that clear for you? Okay.
Yes.
So you just have to remember what's part of the container that we can't drop and what is the weak letter that we can drop. For example, this wow cannot be dropped. Okay, any other questions there? Okay, great, we can move on. Have we done? I don't think we've done the Amr. Saima, I think you'd want to do Amr.
Yes, Alki, Alkiya, Alku, Alki, Alkiya, Alkina.
Yes, that's pretty much that. Good.
Ismu file. Mulkin, Mulkiyan, Mulkin. And then, like I have to do all the three.
You don't have to.
Okay. Alhamdulillah.
But you would
Mulkan.
have to know.
Mulkan.
Uh-huh.
Then it will be Mulkan. Mulkan. All the three
Yeah.
will be same. Mulkan.
Yeah.
Mulkan. Yeah.
Yeah, here it's the same because it ends with an alif maqsura, so it's not
Mhm.
yeah, it doesn't change there. Mulqan, mulqan.
And
Okay.
Zarf will be also same. Mulkan.
Yeah.
Mulkan. Mulkan.
Yes.
Now I have to leave for namaz. I'll join after, inshallah, 5-10 minutes.
Okay, no problem. Probably we might be ending by then, but it's fine. Let's see. Okay, so what we can have is we can have you guys alternate. So Marianne and Fauzia. So Fauzia, I think you can do ma'loom and Marianne can do majhul. Oh, there's no majhul here. So okay. So Fauzia, you can do this entire family then, and then
Okay.
Marianne can do the next. Okay. We can't hear you, Fauzia.
بغى
Uh-huh.
أم بغيا
In. So it's gonna be in baga,
إن
like in qalaba.
أو
Mm.
إن بغى إن
Mhm.
بغيا
Mhm.
إن بغوا
Mhm.
إن بغت إن بغتا إن بغينا إن
Mhm.
بغينا إن بغيتا إن بغيتما إن بغيتم إن بغيتي إن بغيتما إن بغيتن إن بغيتو إن بغينا
Mm. Yep. That's it. And the mudara.
إن بغى إن بغى ينبغي
Mhm.
ينبغي ينبغيان ينبغون
Mm.
يم تنبغي تنبغيان ينبغين Is it that right?
Yes.
ينبغين
Mhm.
تنبغي تنبغيان تنبغون
Mhm.
تنبغين تنبغيان تنبغين
Mhm.
أنبغي ننبغي
Yes. Good. You can finish off Amr and Isra as well.
أنبغي أنبغيا أنبغو
So it's going to be
إن so
in
إن
Baqi.
إن
Yes.
إن قلب
Yeah.
إن
In Qalib.
بغي
Yes.
إن قلب إن بغي إن بغيا إن بغو إن بغي إن بغيا إن بغينا
Yes.
اسم فاعل يبي
There's no isim maf'ul, so it's only isim fa'il.
منبغٍ
Mm.
منبغيا منبغٍ
Mhm.
and that would be منبغًا.
Yes. One by one. All right. I don't know if Marianne, you've done majhul. Have you done majhul?
I don't very well. Can you?
Did you do madi and majhul or not yet?
Majhul. I think not yet. No. Mm.
Yeah, I think you should do majhul. So Fawzia, you can still go on and do the ma'lum part of it. Sorry, so this is iftara.
افترى
Yeah.
افتروا.
Sorry. I can't hear you.
You can't hear me? Can you
Now
hear
I
me?
can hear you. Yes.
افترى
Uh-huh.
افتريا افتروا افتريت
Iftarat.
افترت افترت
Mm.
افترى افترت
Mm.
افترتا اشترينا اشتريتا اشتريتم ما اشتريتم اشتريتي اشتريتما اشتريتن اشتريتو اشترينا.
Good. And then the مضارع.
اشترى يشتري
Mhm.
يشتري يعني يشترون يشترون
Yes.
يشترون تشتري تشتريان تشترين
Yes.
تشتري
Yeah.
تشترين
يفتري.
يشترين
Uh-huh.
تشتري تشتريان تشترون
Mhm.
تشترين تشتريان تشترين أشتري نشتري.
Beautiful. Okay. Marianne, you're next. You can do the majhul. أفترية.
اقتريا.
أف.
Hmm?
أفترية. فا.
Oh, sefa. Okay.
Mm.
افتريا.
Mhm.
هو افتريا. هما افتريا. أف هم افتروا.
Yes.
هي افتريت. هما افتريتا. هن أف أفترينا.
Yes.
أنت أفتريت. أنتما أفتريتما. أفتريتم. أفتريتي. أفتريتما. أفتريتن. أفتريت. أفترينا.
Yep. Good.
Okay.
Now هو مضارع مجهول.
Okay. انقلب ينقلب.
ين.
ينقلب.
يقترب.
Hmm?
It's اقترب family. يقترب. But it's the same.
يقترب. Okay.
Yeah.
So it is يق
يفتري. يف
يفتري.
No, see, يفترى because it's مضارع. يفترى.
Okay. يفترى. Okay. يفتريان. يفترون.
Mhm.
تفتريان. يفترين.
Yes.
تفتريان. تفترون.
Mhm.
تفترين. تفتريان. تفترين.
Mhm.
افترى. نفترى.
Yes. Beautiful.
Mm.
Fawzia, have you done? Have you done this part? Maybe you can do. I don't know if you've done Amr and Asma.
I did in the last family. I think yes, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So, Marianne, you can finish this then.
Okay. انقلب. So it is in. No,
اقترب.
if
Yeah.
if
Uh,
okay. افتري.
yes.
افتري.
افتري.
افتريا. افتروا. افتري. افتريا. افترينا.
Beautiful.
Mhm. So it is اسم فاعل مف انقلب ينقلب in مفترن.
مفترين. Yes. اسم فاعل.
مفترن. اوكي. اسم فاعل مفترن. مفتريا. مفترن.
Mhm.
اسم مفعول مفترن.
Yes.
اوكي. مفترن. Mhm.
And
And
verb.
plural it is مفترون. So
Uh-huh.
the plural is مفترون. مفترينا. مفترينا.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we have the last family, family 10. So, oh, today my app is not behaving so well. Okay. What just happened? Okay. Istaghsha. Oh my God. Istaghsha. So this is where we are. So Marianne, you can do the Madi, and
Okay.
then Fawzia can do Mudara.
Okay. Okay. هو استغشى.
Mm-hmm.
هما استغشيا. هم استغشوا.
Mm-hmm.
هي استغشت.
Mm-hmm.
هما استغشتا. هن استغشينا.
Mm-hmm.
استغشيت. استغشيتما. استغشيتم. استغشيتي. استغشيتما. استغشيتن. استغشيت. استغشينا.
Good. You can do the majhul as well. Sorry, مضارع معلوم. You can do معلوم.
Okay.
That's easier. Mm-hmm.
معلوم. Okay.
Mm.
استغفر يستغفر Okay, okay. It is always EU. No, it is
Ew,
always
ew is
EU.
not liked. Whenever you want to say ew, don't say it. So
Okay,
this مضارع, remember it ends with e.
E.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
But
So
in
Nudia. Oh,
oh,
okay. It
you're
is not
doing
the same.
what are you
Hmm?
doing? First of all, are you doing مضارع
Mudari
معلوم?
majhul. Oh, mahlum. Okay.
معلوم, yes, you're doing معلوم.
Okay. Can
يستغشي.
I see again the field, please?
Okay. Ah, my uh
Okay.
my system today is not doing so well. So
Okay. Yes. Ta. She.
yes, يستغشي.
ويستغشي. هما
Mm-hmm.
يستغشيان. هم يستغشون.
Mm.
هي تستغشي. هما تستغشيان. هن يستغشين.
Mm-hmm.
أنت تستغشي. أنتما تستغشيان. أنتم تستغشون.
Mm-hmm.
أنت تستغشين. أنتما تستغشيان. أنتن تستغشين.
Mm-hmm.
أنا أستغشي. نحن نستغشي.
Good.
So Mudari, it is always E for the uh, uh,
Big families.
active.
Yes, but the big family is active except for two families. تساءل and تعلم. Those ones are always
Okay,
going to be ألف
okay,
مقصورة at the end.
okay.
Fawz Saima is back, so Saima, you can do the majhul, and then Fawzia can finish with the ism.
Majhul, we are doing, can
We're
you please
doing
show me
istawsha.
word, the root word?
Yeah.
I have to do Madi Majhul.
Yes, and mudara majhul.
Okay. So it is Istaksha. So it will be
Mm-hmm.
Shia. Shia.
Yes.
So Shia, Shia, Shaw. No, Shu.
Yes. That's true.
Then Shat,
Ustushiyat.
Ustushiyat,
Uh-huh.
Ustushiyat, Ustushiyata,
Mm-hmm.
Ustushina,
Yes.
Ustushita, Ustushituma, Ustushitum, Ustushiti, Ustushituma, Ustushitunna, Ustukshitu, Ustushina.
Yes. Good. Now let's do mudara majhul.
So it will be so
Yes.
Yustaksha,
Mm-hmm.
Yustakshayani, Yustakshawna.
Yes.
Oh, Tustaksha,
Mm-hmm.
Tustakshiyani,
Sha. Ustashayani.
Tustakshayani,
Uh-huh.
no, not Tustak, Us,
You. Yustal.
Yustak, it was I.
Yes. Yes, I.
يستغشين
Yes,
يستغشين.
yes, good.
Then again تستغشى تستغشيان تستغشون
Uh-huh.
تستغشين تستغشيان تستغشين
Mm-hmm.
استغشى نستغشى.
Yes, amazing stuff. Okay, Fauzia, you can finish for us very strongly.
Bismillah. استغفر so استغشي استغشيا استغشو استغشي استغشيا استغشينا.
Yes,
And this one file is مستغشن مستغشيان مستغشيان مستغشن
Mustashan.
اسم مستغشن شن
So اسم
sorry
فاعل is مستغشن. اسم مفعول مستغشن.
yes مستغشن
Yeah,
and مستغش and اسم ظرف is مستغشن.
yes. So that's the same. Okay, we've done. We've already done Zakah, so I think that's pretty much done. Alhamdulillah. I think we are done with Sarf Kabir. Oh, 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 we haven't done two families actually. Oh God, I thought we were done. But it's already time, so we might just stop there. Um, maybe you can just take a look at Tamara. So Tamara, my scroll today is a bit off. Doesn't want to scroll properly. Anyway, so you can look at Tamara. This is ناقص يائي from family 6, like تساءل. And maybe just you can take a look at your own and see if you can be able to figure it out. Remember the must. Oh, you're not doing masters, yeah. So the only thing you need to remember is my cursor is behaving weirdly. I can't control it, so that's why it keeps going. Yeah. Okay, now it's. Oh my God. Yeah, it's just doing its own thing. Okay, I think I have some control back. Yeah. So Tamara, let me see what تعلم. Oh God. Yeah, so Tamara, I think, is the only one that is left. So you can check it out. If you have any questions, let me know. And that will be the end of Sarf Kabir, basically. Or you can also do Tazakya. Tazakya is family 5 and Tamara is family 6. So you can do those two. And remember, this one has fathas everywhere. So that's something to note. If you have any questions you want to ask, then maybe you can ask in the group and inshallah, we can take a look. But otherwise, I think we're pretty much done with Sarf Kabir of big families. So next week, maybe inshallah on Saturday, we'll finish Naaqis, hopefully. If not, maybe the weekend we can finish Naaqis and we can move on with our lives because this has been a long, long journey of Naaqis.
Walima, can I tell something? Can I
Yes,
ask
please.
something?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm thinking if we do recognition, I don't know how to pronounce it in English, but
Mm,
to have an surat and to try to find the
I'rab.
family fihi, not the Irab, because so we have done Sarf, so we can do to find the family of the fihi. You
Mm.
understand?
I
It will help
understood you.
to revise to
Yeah. So
uh,
basically, when we are done, we are left with Lafif. Lafif is pretty much like Naqis. Actually, Lafif is a combination of all irregularities, basically, like everything in one. So now that you've learned Mahmuz, you've learned a bit of Muda'af, you've learned Naqis, Lafif is
yes.
basically those three together at the same time, as if
Oh,
it wasn't complicated enough. They had to introduce Lafif. So
Okay.
yeah, but basically, if you've understood the others, Lafif would be easy. I think Lafif is not complicated. There are very few words in Lafif also. So we'll just do Lafif, finish Lafif. Once we're done with Lafif, this is what we're going to do, inshallah. We're going to do a summary and how to identify words. So if you just look at a word, how do you identify? Is it ajwaf? Is it naqis? Is it lafif? Is it muta'af?
Yeah.
So there are some tricks that I came across and I put them here. And I also have this table that we will look at. And then I've been compiling words, like, just words from the Quran, like uh, here and there. So
Wow.
then we figure
Okay.
out what does it mean, which irregularity is it, which family is it, which kind of word is it? Is it ism
Oh,
fa'il, ism
great.
maf'ul?
Inshallah.
Yeah. So we have a long
Inshallah.
journey still with Sarf.
Inshallah. May Allah reward you.
I mean, yeah.
Mm.
So like you look at this word in the Quran, for example, qi, and you're like, what is this? This is one letter. This is qaf.
Yes.
But
Yes.
it's actually a word. Subhanallah.
Yes.
So we look at
Subhanallah.
things like that.
Mm.
Yeah. Okay. So that's just a glimpse of what is to come, and inshallah we'll walk this journey together and understand.
Inshallah. Inshallah.
Okay. Any other questions before we close, before we end? By the way, I'm so proud of you guys. I mean, I was worried myself because Naaqis, Sarf, Kabeer, it's very difficult, but you guys just pulled through, mashallah, alhamdulillah. It gives me so much joy.
But I keep forgetting. I can find the answer, but after I forget. I can.
Me too. Me too. I mean, you've seen me forgetting a few things that I have to go back and check. I mean, it
Yes.
happens. So it's just
Yes.
practice, practice. We all forget. Don't
Okay.
forget. All right, guys. See you next week, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Inshallah. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa
Walaikum
rahmatullahi
assalam
wa
wa
barakatuh.
rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallah khairan kaseer.